Click on the Home button on the top left and navigate to the Sales Journal by clicking the second button in the group named Journals as shown below. Welcome to the Sales Journal. This is the place you'll enter data related to the sales of your products or services. Before I continue, I want to make your life a bit easier by showing you how you can quickly enter data in the journals. If you use the Enter key after entering data in a cell, you'll automatically skip to the cell below. If you use the Tab key instead of using Enter after you fill the cell with data, you'll automatically go to the next column. When you're at the end of the table, you can also use Tab to go to the next row. If the journal looks intimidating to you, don't worry. I aided you along the way by implementing some formulas and lists so you can fill in data at maximum speed. See those orange columns? Those are automated by formulas. I also implemented some lists to facilitate the process and make sure you can't fill in data that doesn't match the data you entered in the control panel. That way, you won't get any weird looking results in the dashboards. Let's continue and see what you have to do to fill in yourself.